Now, which way is it going again? Hello. This time on CrashTestDummyTV. Okay, now, what have I done? Yes, I've finished riveting it all. It's all together. Or a very tiny gap in between here, but overall I'm happy. And the thickness of the steel, that's going to hold the shape of the PVC, so that's good. That is good. Now, I also painted up the other brackets just to make them all match in and look pretty. Hide them if anything. This one only did one coat, so hopefully it's enough. Now, which way is it going again? Oh, come on, get in the hole. Yes, thank you. What fell down? That. No, that. Leave that loose for now. Just till I got everything on. Tighten you up. Alright, it's done. It's finished. It's actually rock solid too. As you can see, it's got the half moon, the semicircle just here. You've got little rubber bits, fingers pressing against the oil can, just in case of any impact here. I doubt it very much though, because this small area here, it's the strongest part of this whole bracket, because you've got a mounting point here, and a bend, particularly the bend. Yeah, that will strengthen it. So getting to that will be the hard bit. Let's say a stick or something comes up inside, it should deflect off, but it's got a little bit of movement, but it's got strength and rigidity to it. As I said earlier, it was going to be a dummy exhaust. I still may put the tip on there, I haven't decided yet, but yeah, for now I'll just leave it as that. Cool. Let's put the cover on and see how it looks. Now, that's bolted and tight, rivets are all in. I'll be able to access that, that's on, and that's tight. Alright. Now, very, very carefully. Didn't think of the strap, because last time I took it off, it was not there. God, it's only got to miss it a little bit. Damn it. I don't want to get rid of it. Maybe I'll just cut it down. I've cut that, so why not? Alright, I'm going to do some chopping. I want to do some chopping, but I've got to do some chopping. Go right in the wedge. Don't do that. Nice. Hope it's enough. Nice, look at that. Cool. Now what I will do, before I totally put it on, is run a strip of this around the curl here. Right. Come on. Alright. Groovy. Excellent. Fills it out nicely. Cool. And if I had a Phillips head handy, bang, 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 and yeah, it'd have to be a short handle. Have to be a short handle, but doable. Groovy. Do it yourself. There we go. Look at that. Groovy. How are those rivets? Yeah, they're in nicely. Yeah. Now, main reason I made it so big is get a rag, wrap it around the end a few times. Cool. Excellent. Alright. Done. Misses the wheel by miles. I kept it inside the oil. As long as it was inside the oil, then that'll miss, because that misses the oil, apparently. Very bloody close, but anyway. Groovy. Cost me what, $5? Excellent. If you need any more details, send me a comment what you need to know, and I will reply. Bye all. Ride safe out there, and don't forget to have fun while you're doing it. Where's the bolt? Excuse me, but I had to. Jeez, I'm waffling. Bloody hell. Oh bugger, I need a longer one. Once again, get through the bloody hole.